10, 9, ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
I do believe that it really matters that every single person gets their act together. We're networked together. We think of ourselves as 7 billion isolated units and despair that none of us have any significance or purpose. Not the case. We're each the center and a vast network, and we're each responsible for determining the direction of the cosmos, as far as I can tell. And it isn't obvious to see how we can each be charged with that responsibility, but it still seems to me that it's the case. We're also very annoyed and irritated with one another if we don't treat each other as if that was the truth, 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 as if that was the truth. So that's my big adventure. You think, well, here's something you could do with your life. Devote it to making everything you possibly can better. And see what happens. Tell the truth. Aim high. Tell the truth. Aim high. And see where you can get with that. And see where you can get with that. It's like, there's an adventure for you.